In this video, I'll show you how to create beautiful gradient lights in Blender. You can use them in all kinds of scenes, from interiors to any kind of creative lighting. And the best part is, they're really easy to create. Let's get started. Add an area light and place it in front of your object. Set the spread to 0 for now. This will make it easier to set everything up. I'll also increase the power and adjust the shape. Then go to the Shading tab and add 3 nodes: Geometry, Separate XYZ, and Color Ramp. Connect them together. The X or Y axis will control the direction of your gradient. Now choose the colors you want in the color ramp. And boom! Your boring area light is officially not boring anymore. You can duplicate, rotate, and scale it. The gradient will always keep the correct proportions. From here, you have a lot of room to experiment. You can increase the spread to make the gradient softer and more diffused. Or you can change the color ramp interpolation to constant, so the gradient turns into a sharp geometric light strip. The rest is up to your imagination. Experiment and see how far you can push it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Good luck!